Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we are going to clean our laundry area because we are getting a new washer and dryer. I'm so excited, and there's a reason for this. Our old current dryer broke, no longer works, will not turn on, nothing. And the little turning dial on our washing machine actually broke just the other day, and it keeps stopping mid-cycle where I have to restart it. So that's the reasoning behind it, but we're going to clean this area out, pull the dryer washer out, wipe it all down, and then tomorrow morning the new ones are coming, so I'll show you that. So stay tuned because we're gonna kind of revamp this area a little bit. And then once we have those, we're probably going to repaint and just redo everything, but this is the first step to fixing this area up. Yes, our washer and dryer are outside. We live in a condo, and we walk out our back door right here, washer dryer, and then there is our door to the garage. In a lot of ways, I actually like having this outside because the laundry that I like to hang, I can just hang immediately and it's already outside. And because we live in a dry climate, the laundry dries so quickly, so I'm kind of thankful in a lot of ways that the laundry's outside. This shelf is something that I bought at IKEA and put up myself because my husband was busy and I just wanted it done. And it has been falling apart for the last 5 years that we've lived here. And this whole area looks like it needs to be painted, as you can see right here. They had something, the people that lived here before us had a different type of shelf and had painted around it. So my goal is once we get the new washer and dryer in here, everything is set up, Grant is gonna make a cupboard for us, and then we are gonna also paint back here and just make it kind of nice so when the doors are open, it looks nice out here. Grant did make us these doors, and I will link his channel below, woodgluru.com, and they're beautiful, and when they're shut, it looks amazing, but when they're open, this place looks like a mess. First of all, I'm standing on a chair because I'm afraid that there's gonna be a mouse or rat. I'm waiting for the mouse to run out. Do you want me to scream if it comes running at you?
I mean, you gotta scream anyway.
You mean rat poop.
Ratchet. No, like a... Ratchet.
So right there, that hole in the wall is probably where they're coming from.
Probably.
And because someone did write last time, I should have helped you. Should I be helping you right now with this? See, he doesn't want help.
It's a one-man job.
There were no mice or rats, but like I just said, last time we did a project together, somebody commented that I should have been helping him. He doesn't want my help. I always ask, but I already know I don't even need to ask because the answer is always no when it comes to moving stuff. It's better for one person to do it, and that one person is him. So there is a little hole right here in the wall that we need to... How are you gonna patch that?
The Eliza?
Huh?
Well,
How will you do that? Like a piece of wood or something?
I'll have to go get some stucco or something.
Anyways, we got a lot of work to do,
Ready?
as usual. That's where the little hole is that the mice or rats or whatever are coming through, and actually there's another little hole right there. job just to cover up all that mismatched color and mess on the wall, but eventually we're gonna fix this up the right way. I still need to do one more coat, and then we've just added a nice outdoor rug, and we're gonna try to hang the sail. I'm wearing this so I don't get paint on my clothes. Today has been a little crazy so far. It's almost 5 o'clock and it's still sunny out, which is really neat. I love when it starts heading towards summer and it's lighter a lot later in the day. Anyways, today I've been spending the whole day fixing up this area. As you can see, I painted this white and you can still see the color it used to be. Obviously I need to spend more time and actually do this right, but I just threw some paint up there and hung our signs back up. We were talking about doing a what do you call it, cabinet right here, but now I'm thinking I have this little side area. This might be enough. I don't know if we're gonna actually need a cupboard, and I really like the way this is looking, so I think we might end up leaving it like this. Maybe I'll put a different big piece of art there or a hanging plant. That might look kind of cool since this door is usually open. Anyways, we added this rug. Here we moved the table so the kids can eat out here. We're going to put a sail where you hang kind of a shade, so that way it will be nice and shady out here. And then I've moved all of our plants over to this side, so when we water the plants, it will just all drain out the gate, and that way the rug won't be getting muddy. So, and Grant just refinished this. It looks beautiful, and he planted it with these purple flowers.
Hey, what's up, people?
So what did you call our new laundry area?
It's the Laundromat Cafe.
The Laundromat Cafe. He said,
Slash beer garden.
come and have a coffee and clean your socks. Two things that I noticed almost immediately with the first load of laundry. One, it was so much faster than it's ever been before, and it senses the water, so it uses way less water, and I'm so excited about it. And this place is looking really good. It's so cute, and we've already had a meal out here because everyone loves it, and this is the beginning of our summer outdoor time.